and my friend love to learn. We are happy when we learn. I and my friend love to learn. We are happy every time. I and my friend.
What's wrong, Mansi? I am scared of the rain.
Do not worry, Manzi. It's just rain.
But what if it destroys the house?
That is not going to happen.
My mom told me that there was a flood in the village and houses were destroyed.
Yes, that is true, Manzi. But now the village is protected against floods.
How?
It was raining heavily. There were thunderstorms and lightning. The wind was blowing so hard that the curtains were moving left and right.
Gaju was so scared and she was shaking.
Suddenly, water started entering the house.
There was so much water, it was reaching my mom's knees.
But then, Dad came to save us with a boat. Our dad was taking us to the farm as it was the safest place up hills.
We passed by the village and everything was destroyed. The community service members were carrying people in boats so that they can get them to safety.
And I asked Dad, how was it possible that everything got destroyed? And my dad told me that it was destroyed by soil erosion caused by the heavy rain from the day before.
Soil erosion? Gaju, what is that?
Soil erosion is the removal of topsoil caused by heavy rainfall, strong winds, or floods.
How did you prevent it then?
First, we planted trees and grass. Then, we built terraces on the farm. Finally, we created diversion to help the drainage throughout the farm and the village.
And from that day, every time it rains so heavily, there is no damage as the village is protected.
That is why we're safe now, Manzi. So, do not be afraid.
Oh, I'm feeling better now.
Here, have some hot milk. It'll soothe you.
This is going to make me feel even better. Quiz time! Yay!
What causes soil erosion? A. Heavy rain. B. Building terraces.
A! Correct! The answer is A. Soil erosion is caused by heavy rainfall. Planting trees and building terraces are the best methods to prevent soil erosion. A. False. B. True. B.
Correct. The answer is B. True. Planting trees and building terraces are the best methods to prevent soil erosion.